Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
What today?
December?
Yeah, it's December. And what day?
I don't know. What do you mean day?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That's the day.
Friday?
It's Tuesday.
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 Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay. Papa.
Monday.
And if they ask what the date, I mean the number naman.
Is it 8?
No, it's 3, I think.
No, it's 2. It's 3.
3.
No, it's 2. It says on my teacher's calendar.
Yesterday is 2.
No, it's not.
Hindi na naman magpapatalo, guys. What color? Pink?
I'm wearing pink.
She's wearing pink. That's why. Wearing
Pink.
pink. Pink daw siya, guys. Ay, parang ano, hindi siya. Ayan. Pink daw siya today. Then the side. Lagyan natin ng konting style ang buhok ni Bunso today. Pero.
Talk English.
What?
Talk English.
English? You don't want to talk Mama Tagalog?
Yeah, just talk English.
Okay. Why? You don't understand in Tagalog?
I only know some.
Sorry.
I only
What is it?
Mama. I only know 2 words of Filipino. Kain na.
Kain na.
Tulog na.
What do you mean by that? Kain na.
Yeah, I said that. That is Philippines.
Yeah. Kain na, that's mean
Eating time.
Yeah.
Eating time.
Good
And
job.
and tulog na is means sleeping time.
Oh, yes.
And Mama,
What else?
how do we say Papa farted in Philippines?
Yun po yung natanong eh.
Yeah, how do we
Ayan.
say it?
Farted?
Yeah, how do we say Papa farted in the Philippines?
Papa is utot. Umutot ang papa.
Guys, if you want guys say Philippine words, you have to learn from my sister.
Your
Me.
mom. If your mom is like mama.
Am I done?
Teka.
I want to be done
See,
already.
tinalian ko lang guys ng paganyan sa side. Then, one more here. Okay. Magmamadali tayo lagi guys, kaya hindi
Mama,
minsan pantay na.
Mama, but why did Dr. G did it say I will be very gentle?
I know, right?
He's not like Dr.
Connor.
Yeah.
That's why different doctor is different approaching for the patient to the patient.
Dr. Nee is bad doctor.
Ah! Is it? Hindi naman siya bad.
He's a bad doctor.
Is it?
Yeah.
Kasi why? He don't give you a bunny in your boo-boo.
No. It's because he's not Dr. Connor.
Oh, because you like Dr. Connor. That's why. You like Dr. Connor better. More like. Oh, stay.
Dr. G.
Almost the Dr.
G. Dr. J.
Yeah. Okay, where is it? We don't have pink in the big one.
No,
It's okay.
Ruby pink.
Purple na lang.
There's ruby pink. There's ruby pink. I know.
Where is it?
Mama, why do you think this is still red?
Yeah, it's look like. This is the red, right?
Yeah, it look like more
Yeah,
than.
almost the same. One more of this. I need one more of this. This one, this one. I got it already. Okay, bow your head now. Nako. One more. What time is it? Okay, done.
I'm done.
Itong hindi masyadong ano. Okay, let's go.
Bye
Ayan
bye.
guys, bye guys. Ayan guys, ito na ang hairstyle ni Bunso for Tuesday, for today. Ayan, nilagyan ko lang siya ng one tali dito sa side. Dito sa side is naglagay ako ng 3. Ayan, 'di ba? Madali lang gayahin. Ayan, see? Let's see in the front. Ayan. We're going to school.
Bye bye.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye.
Okay, let's go.